Don't miss out on our Great Skin Everywhere holiday gift set. Our Great Skin Everywhere holiday gift set features our revolutionary 3-step skincare that was created by a dermatologist to help everyone achieve healthy skin. In this gift set, you will have the opportunity to choose between a skin type 1-2, which is for dry to dry combination skin, and a skin type 3-4, which is for oily to oily combination skin. First up, we have our All About Clean cleanser. This cleanser is designed to thoroughly cleanse your skin, never leaving your skin feeling tight or taut, yet leaving it feeling clean, refreshed, and comfortable. Using a small amount of this 2 times a day, you will see here that it is extremely lightweight in texture. Mixing this with a little bit of water onto the skin, and it will lightly foam up, and then you can rinse it off. Follow your All About Clean cleanser with your clarifying lotion. Clarifying lotion is famously known as the difference maker. It is a liquid exfoliator that gently sweeps away dead, dulling skin cells that can leave your skin not looking as fresh and as radiant as you would like for it to. Your makeup might not wear as smooth as you would like for it to. Clarifying lotion will sweep away all of that dead skin and allow for that to happen. Next up, we have our Yellow Genius Dramatically Different Moisturizer. One with a lotion texture for skin type 1-2 and one with a gel texture for a skin type 3-4. Both of these formulas are designed to leave your skin feeling soft and comfortable and give your skin a natural, healthy glow. They also deliver 8 hours of hydration that your skin really needs in order to truly be healthy. Both of them absorb very quickly into the skin with a beautiful lightweight texture, never feeling heavy or uncomfortable on the skin. Gently massage this onto the skin all over the entire face, leaving the skin with a beautiful, healthy glow. Make sure you get your Great Skin Everywhere holiday gift set for $69 with a $96.50 value. You're not going to want to miss this opportunity to take home our revolutionary 3-step skincare system.